Hello everyone, my name is Saifan and this is my project 0 for CS50 Web. The project involves creating a simple Google search replica using HTML and CSS. I will be walking you through the key features of this project. First, here on index.html you will see the search bar I have created. It's center and has a rounded design closely resembling the original Google search bar. This was done using CSS for positioning and styling. Here I search cars and Google search. You see that it's give me cars result. This my Google search button is currently work. Now next I am implement the I am feeling lucky button, which is right below the search bar. When click, it redirects user to the first search result. This feature mimics Google's quick access to the top search. Here also cars. See that I'm feeling it's give me a Google original search bar homepage. Now I have added navigation links between all three pages: index.html, images.html and advanced.html. This allows user to seamlessly navigate between different types of searches similar to the actual Google site. On the images.html page you can see a similar search bar for Google image search. The design is consistent with the main search bar, ensuring a cohesive user experience. Here I search cars, search images. You see it's give me cars images. These buttons are also work correctly. Moving on the advanced.html, I have implemented 4 different searches fields. These fields allow user to perform more refined searches, offering advanced options like searching for specific phrases, languages, or within a specific websites. I search here cars, black, sorry, down here, black, white, or red, green. Advanced search click button. You see that my this button also work properly. It's giving me a result. Now through the project I have focused on maintaining Google like aesthetics using CSS, the fonts, colors and layouts, and design the resembling Google's interface, providing a familiar look and feel. Lastly, the site is fully responsive, as you can see when I go to inspect and here go to dimension and see iPad Pro. You can see my page them properly work. This ensures that the site is accessible and functional on various devices from desktops to mobile and phones. See that my page is properly work on any devices. Okay, so this is my CS50 Web Project 0. Thank you. In the summary, I can say this project allowed me to replicate key features of Google's search interface while learning about HTML, CSS, and responsive design. It was a great exercise in web development and design principles. Thank you.